At the intersection of the Plaza and Central Avenue, we have the city's second bike signal. This bike signal accompanies the separated bike lane along the plaza. When you reach the intersection of the Plaza and Central Avenue, there is a lane bar for you to stop and rest your foot. Right beside that lane bar, we have a push button to actuate the bicycle signal. When you arrive on a red phase, stop at the bar and press the button to let the traffic signal know you've arrived. Wait at the stop bar until the bicycle signal turns green. We have a near side signal and a far side signal to make sure you have a clear view of the bicycle signal phase. When the bike signal turns green, you may proceed into the intersection. Make sure to only proceed into the intersection while the bicycle signal is green. We've designed this traffic signal to provide an exclusive bicycle phase that gives a red light to vehicle movements that conflict with the path of bicyclists. Once the bike signal phase is running out, the bike signal will go to a yellow bike emblem and then to a red. Make sure to stop once the bike signal has turned red, as the corresponding vehicle movements will now enter the intersection.